Hey there, welcome to another Excel video. I'm going to show you something called waterfall charts. And waterfall charts show you the accumulated total or the accumulated change over an extended period of time. So let me show you how that's different from a regular bar chart. In a bar chart, I can see how much I'm doing each day. But I don't know what the result is at the end of the week collectively. And so this is where a waterfall chart comes in. So I'm going to go get rid of this for a second. And let's go ahead and build one. Actually, you know what? I'll have them both up so you can kind of see them side by side. All right, so let's bring this one here. I'm just going to make that a bit narrower. All right, and I'm going to come in here. And just like a standard chart that you would always do, it's this one right here. So go ahead and select that. Let's just bring it over here. Okay, now I'm going to select the data, get the information in there. Let's start with series name. Okay. And then let's do the horizontal axis, which is the days. Okay. I'm going to go OK, OK. And I'm just going to add the data labels in, all right, just so you can see what the values are. And then on this one as well. Okay, data labels. You'll notice the data labels are actually the same. But the final value here at 86 isn't 86 on the one on the left, right? The final result here is actually around 350, okay? But the difference you can see is it's growing each time. Now, if I had a negative value in here, so let's just do a minus 100, it actually does that. So it's really good in that it's showing you the flow of the month, or let's say you have a target you're gonna meet for the end of the week. Let's say we're gonna sell, 300 donuts, right? And this represents, 100 of them were spoiled because someone didn't turn the fridge on or something like that, right? So it's a really great way to see progress in another dimension compared to just a regular bar chart, right? And it's really, really simple to set up. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.